Musunuri Nayakas. After the Kakatiya Empire disintegrated, the rule of the Delhi Sultanate was established. Significant amounts of the wealth from the Kakatiyas and the kingdom, including the prized Kohinoor diamond, was taken to Delhi. Moreover, the Delhi Sultanate was cruel, oppressive, and epitome of adharma. Pained by this, Musunuri Pralaya Nayaka led the initial rebellion against the Delhi Sultanate, and he was firmly able to establish his rule over parts of coastal Andhra with his capital at Rekapalli in East Godavari district. The Musunuri Nayaks, under the second Maharaja Musunuri Kapaya Nayaka, conquered back the former capital of the Kakatiyas in 1336 and evicted the Delhi Sultanate and brought stability, peace, and gave Hindus freedom from the rulers of the Delhi Sultanate. Raja Musunuri Prolaya Nayaka restored the Agraharas, which were important centers of learning and Vedic thought. He revived Hindu sacrifices and rituals that were restricted during the Delhi Sultanate. He established a new tax system where agriculturists gave up one-sixth of their yields. These taxes helped the empire repair and solidify military forts such as the Naganur fort near Karimnagar and began the task of administering many parts of the former Kakatiya Empire.